What is going on YouTube? Hey, back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, specifically in today's episode, we do have quite a few different things to be going over and looking at here. Honestly, I want to talk about the fact that I think cryptocurrency has kind of all consolidated with itself. And what I mean by that is a lot of the cryptocurrencies were kind of all over the place. They were doing their own things. And I think we have finally kind of bottomed out with a lot of these cryptos where they're all kind of in line with each other, which I think will ideally aid in a better prediction in regards to where we're going to be moving to. Now, we were able to capitalize off a short opportunity on XRP. As you guys can see here, we had discovered a rising wedge pattern that I honestly, it's a little bit newer to me. I've seen rising wedges obviously in the past here, but I wasn't sure if they were bullish or bearish. But you can clearly see here that a rising wedge ultimately always lands in a bearish kind of market movement here. You can see if it lets me. Yeah, here we go. You can see how always these rising wedges, they fill in the gap here, end up breaking down. They end up pulling to the downside here. You can see it here. They drop. And that's exactly what happened to XRP. So this is an opportunity. Now, I was thinking it was a bullish one. We'd be breaking up. But that doesn't really matter because ideally it's only when we close above this can we buy in and long, or below this can we buy in and short. So either opportunity was to prevail itself, that's what we would capitalize on. And we had a beautiful short opportunity once we closed at 50 cents here. That's when we were able to buy in and then short this to the downside. And now it's falling all the way down to 47 cents. We waited for the conservative market movements. You can see the clear rejection off moving averages. Lots of things we're going to have to talk about, but it looks like all the other cryptos have stabilized with it, where Ethereum has stabilized down, just like XRP has stabilized down. You can see that here. Bitcoin as well looks like it's stabilized down. And we're looking at the S&P, which is kind of back at this neutral level at about 50 on the RSI, but we're kind of intertwined with the moving average. We're at a good point all in all here. Depending on how we want to move, there's definitely a resistance that needs to be broken. But if we could do that, if we could break through this, depending on how we want to trade, I don't know. But if we can break through this, I would expect to see a long. Now, the good thing is this is a bull flag formation here, and this ultimately breaks us bullish. You can see we've had them in the past here, and these break us to the upside. So I don't know when this is going to happen. It could be like that. It could be like that. I don't know. You can see the last one was a drop and then a pump, and you can see the last one is a drop. We could just pump out of here, consolidate here, and then pump. I don't know, but ideally a bull run is what we're looking for with a lot of these cryptos. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see clear as day here, yesterday I made a video basically saying this rising wedge was confirmed within XRP here, and I spelt rising horribly wrong, so I'll change that in a second. But the rising wedge is confirmed, and what exactly that means for XRP and crypto was a ultimate drop to the downside here. You can start to see that we are starting to consolidate here, and that's why I think we've pretty much found that lower point in the markets here, because yeah, we did kind of drop, but we found some kind of stability at the bottom. Everything kind of fell and is finding some stability as I speak here, and you can see this is kind of what we're looking at right now. So you can see we were in some sort of rising wedge, ascending fractal, filling in this ascending wedge, whatever. Resistance was at the moving average. And ideally, because we've clearly drawn a price ceiling, we've clearly drawn a price floor. If we break through this, that would be the long opportunity. We break through this, that'd be the short opportunity. So once we got that confirmation closure below and we closed right at 50 cents here, that was the opportunity to get in and short to the downside. Now we're retesting bottom support at 47 cents. I likely would think this is the lowest point we moved to, if not already hitting it. We hit it yesterday, retested a wick back up. We could head lower today. I don't know. But ideally, I think 47 cents is rock bottom. That's where we become oversold on XRP's daily. You can see the rejection was clearly due to the daily moving average, but you can see the weekly moving average was also hitting resistance here, causing rejection to the downside. But check this out. We're now retesting a vital support. You can see where we've kind of played around with this green band in the past here. You can see this, ideally, is hopefully going to cause us to bounce off of here. We need to retest. We need to fill in this gap. We need to close the moving average here on the weekly. It's going to take a while. I don't think it's ever happened here. It's never closed. It's never reversed. But ideally, what we're looking for is a break above it. So we need to come back to retest it. And I think it is going to happen by the end of this year here. There's only a couple weeks, left in the market here. We have 2 weeks in October, November, December, and then it's over. So 4, 8, 10 weeks. and we'll get our answer here. But I likely think this reversal is what's due for XRP and these cryptos off this bottom support here. Obviously, we'll be taking advantage of this on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi is literally where we were able to short XRP just a few days ago here. Very simple. You can literally go to derivatives, you go to USDTM, then you type right here, you click this, you click search, you type XRP, and bada bing, bada boom, it's right up clear as day here. And then you click long or you click short. It's that simple. They have leveraging opportunities right here, leveraging XRP. You can literally create a take profit. You can create a stop loss. Everything you possibly want is offered on BidFi. They even have a way to earn up to $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below. So make sure to do that ASAP to earn and claim up to almost $3,000 in new user tasks, advanced tasks, and exclusive tasks. It's an easy way to get some free cryptocurrency. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. Like I said, go to derivatives, click this, then click XRP, and you're good to go. There are some promotions coming to BidFi as they are revamping everything. They will be re-adding the demo account to the desktop version. It's currently just on the mobile version, but they are working on that ASAP. So I will keep you posted on that. But not only is XRP hitting a low here, we also have Ethereum getting very low. You can see with Ethereum, we've bottomed out here. We're hitting support, and there's a good chance of reversal. That's what we're looking for here. This descending fractal has a bullish momentum here. So there's a good chance we'll come back up soon, retest this, and the goal is to break through that and head up higher. Obviously, by the time we get there, moving average will have fallen, and then we'll hopefully see the reversal to the upside. We are getting very low on the RSI, so there's another reason why a correction is due. But ideally, it is Ethereum, so I'd be a little bit more patient on that. I think XRP and Bitcoin are a bit easier to leverage trade than Ethereum at this moment. But again, we have been a continued drop within the S&P or within Ethereum here. It's so undervalued in my personal opinion here. You can see if I pull it up, where is it? Right here. No, where is it? They keep changing all this stuff on me. Here we go, price range. You can see from the top here, we've fallen about 23%. If we really want to extend it, we could say we've fallen about 28% here. But ideally, we're going low, and we're going to be hitting the bottom soon, and a reversal is apparent here. It's almost necessary. Everything is showing signs of undervalued and correction necessary in these markets here. Same thing with Bitcoin. One might think, well, how? We're trading at 48 on the RSI here, right there, 45 on the RSI. Why would we do that? Well, we're showing signs of bottoms and higher low movements here. We are retesting moving average, but I likely think we are going to break through that and continue to scale upwards. Truly, I think that's what's going to happen. This higher low movement here is going to continue to move us up, and I think we will be seeing a pretty solid reversal to the upside very soon. You can also see some sort of uptrend here. We definitely broke through it. That's unfortunate, but I am due to think that we are going to start to correct. We are going to retest it fairly soon. The S&P is doing the same thing. Maybe we'll see a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a dip, but nonetheless, again, here, what's forming on the S&P is a bull flag. You can see bull flags. We had it in the past here, and in a breakout. So, textbook-wise, we are due for a run, whether that happens here and a pump, or we drop again and then pump. A pump is going to happen at some point or another, and it's going to pull XRP, it's going to pull Ethereum, and it's going to pull Bitcoin up with it. It's only a matter of time. So be prepared. October is bullish, November is bullish, December is bullish for cryptocurrency, for the S&P 500. So you just have to be patient, wait it out, and pay very close attention to these markets here, because it could start moving literally as early as today or tomorrow. Obviously, today's Friday, so maybe come Monday, a new week again. We had a lot of consolidation. This is definitely a healthy, easy trade that we were able to capitalize on. Like I said, it's all right here on BidFi. Literally, this short opportunity could have been any more obvious here. Jumping to the daily charts. Where are we? Right here. Not 12 hours, sorry. Daily is right here. You can see this was a very clear and easy correction. And honestly, you can also see that we are bottoming out on the support here. There is some sort of support that we can draw right here. And you can see as we're starting to scale lower here, whether it's a downtrend like that, regardless, we are bottoming out. And when we bottom out here, you can even see some sort of double bottom. A reversal is usually the next process and the next step to happen, especially on a crypto like XRP. So just keep your eyes peeled. But with that being said, that's it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.